Hi friends, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how potful looks like. It's a potful Hyderabadi biryani. So it's a brochure which I got with an invoice. So they have a varieties of biryanis with them. So I have ordered chicken biryani which is Hyderabadi style, and this is the bill which I got. So my friend Suhas has bought this, and he will be showing us what all it contains, how it is. He's gonna taste this, and he'll let me know how it is. And it costed 295 rupees. So this is the package, the parcel which we have received, and let's do the unboxing. I'm gonna show you how it is. Before that, I request you guys to please subscribe. You have still not yet subscribed, please do click on bell icon to get all latest notification. Do share, do comment, let me help me in uploading good videos, better videos. Help me in making a very good videos and all. So thank you for your support guys, and due to your support I have reached 5000 plus subscribers. Please help me in reaching more subscribers, and please do follow my channel. So let's start this. Okay, so as you can show me how it is and what all are in this particular package.
Sure, Abhi. So the smell is really good.
Uh-huh. So
So
yeah,
this
it's
is the
cute.
pot.
They give in
Oh
the
my
pot
God!
itself.
As the name itself says, potful. These guys, crazy guys, have filled out Hyderabad biryani with the potful itself.
Oh, can I just show it around before opening it? So you can see guys how it look. It has a tag, and it's a
My
pot.
God, it's too hot.
Oh, so they have covered this
And no, this is the certification for it came from
freshly
the
cooked.
freshly made chicken. CH means chicken biryani.
Oh,
Basically, how this hotel industry has a terminology,
okay.
and this is where this thing is shows an authentication wherein it is freshly packed.
Okay.
And to
So
be very honest, subscribers, it's really hot to catch.
so can you just show me what else inside the
And
parcel?
yeah, and along with this, raita
Okay, raita. Okay.
and gravy,
Okay, it's gravy.
best combination.
Okay, so this is how it looks, guys. So you can see this is a raita, and this is the pot full. You're delicious. They've given something over here.
It's
Oh,
aroma.
I think this is pepper. Okay, this is dhania. Okay, 1 minute. There's a coriander seeds. I think they have added with this. No, it is for a refresh, mouth refresher, I think. No, let me just peel the pack and check. Sauce help me in taking peeling the
Yeah.
pack. So I think it's a coriander seeds which has been roasted. Okay,
No, it's just for the aroma.
aroma.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
Oh my God, this guys is really crazy. You can see this thing, a bread coverage. So if we open this, the pot will open.
okay.
If it is closed in this way, so the
Okay.
freshness and heat remains the same. And this is are the seeds.
I think this is a
These are the
coriander
seeds. You can see this.
coriander seed. I think.
You can see this, guys.
Okay, it's a coriander
See,
seeds.
after eating, they're significantly telling
Now I
us.
think we need to open this and add these seeds.
No, no, no. We need to open this, have
Oh,
soil in it,
yes,
plant a
yes.
seed. They
Wow.
are really awesome.
Yes,
I like
guys.
this.
So after eating this, we no need of throwing this pot. We can just add some mud and plant
Grow
these seeds. It's a very good idea which they have brought up. So this is how it actually looks. So now Suha is gonna open this. I think they have used the bread or
Yeah, it's a
flour. atta to cover this. So Suhas, can you just unwrap this and show us how it actually smells? So we can. I understand that you can't see the smell, but you can see the reaction of us. You can just remove this tag. Okay, I think you can just pull out this.
Hold on, I think we need to remove this. Okay, no, it is not.
You need to just lift and oh, it's really hot, guys. I think we have to lift. Hold on. Oh, yeah.
I think they just made this.
Oh,
See guys, this there is a crack. This indicates it's really hot.
oh. So
Hot.
it's
It's literally
HC.
hot.
I don't think it's HC means maybe Hyderabadi chicken. We don't know actually what HC means, or
Like, basically, it says Hyderabadi chicken.
maybe. And you're gonna open this and
Yeah, that's
so let's open this. So we are waiting, guys. This is the first time we're trying this, and he thought he's gonna order this, and let's see how it is and how delicious is this. You can use the spoon.
Yeah, you got it.
So I think it's very hot. Mhm.
Mm. Wow.
Wow, it's so traditional, guys. You can see they have covered with the banana leaf. You
Mm.
can just smell the aroma. Yes, guys, it's super cool.
Serious.
Yes, guys, it's really awesome. The smells of this
Let's taste
biryani.
this.
Let's see the taste. I think you wanna mix it or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the pieces at the bottom. Yes,
Yes.
you can see the masala or the gravy, which we're gonna mix it before eating it.
So this is a basmati rice, and followed by, according to our preference, we can mix with the the masala, and let's taste in this way.
So I was gonna taste and tell us how it is.
It's not only me, you have to taste it, buddy.
Sure, buddy. You just taste and
Hmm.
how do you rate like 5 to 10? 5 as in like best, 1 as in lowest.
I would rate this crazy guys 5.
Oh wow,
Seriously.
sure. So you have raita, you have gravy.
Abhi,
You can
let's
try.
taste it.
So guys, I'm gonna taste this.
Crazy.
It's awesome, guys. Really, it's very good. So first time I'm trying this, and I feel it's worth of paying 295 rupees. And try this once. So I feel it's very tasty. It's very yum. So you can try with the raita and the gravy. So it's very good. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope this video was useful to you, because I was searching for these kind of videos. We wanted to place an order, but we could not find any video. So hence we thought of buying these and making a video of this uh, potful. So if you think that this video was helpful to you, if you think the video was very useful, please do subscribe, leave your comment, and help us in uploading more and more videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up. And thank you, Suhas,
Yo, yo.
for getting
Biryani
this.
night.
Yeah.